Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All thanks to Allah.
Today we are going to explain you about the topic Zabiha. Let us start with an introduction. Zabiha, or the Islamic religious practice of slaughter with outstanding animals. It is a means where an animal is slaughtered by a means of throat cut that allows you to bring the animal to death without much discomfort through the severing of jugular veins, carotid arteries, trachea and esophagus, permitting fast and vigorous bleeding. Now let us know about the Quranic view of Zabiha. The concept of Zabiha is mentioned in the Quran in Surah Al-An'am, ayat 118. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه إن كنتم بآياته مؤمنين. Eat of that whereon Allah's name has been mentioned, if you are believers in His revelations. And in the same surah in ayat 121, Allah has mentioned, وَلَا تَأْكُلُوا مِمَّا لَمْ يُذْكَرِ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ وَإِنَّهُ لَفِسْقٌ. And eat not of that whereon Allah's name has not been mentioned. For you it is abomination. Now let us know about the scientific view of Zabiha. When Zabiha is done on the animal, we cut the throat and the windpipe and the vessels of the neck, but without damaging the spinal cord. Otherwise, the nerves going to the heart may get severed and there may be a cardiac arrest. If the spinal cord is not damaged and the vessels of the neck are slit open on the throat and the windpipe, the heart is pumping the most of the blood which is flowing out of the body. Blood is a medium that contains germs and bacteria. If you follow Zabiha, most of the diseases can be avoided. Zabiha is a painless method because when the vessels of the neck are slit open and the throat and the windpipe, the blood going to a nerve which is responsible is severed, so the animal does not feel any pain. The animal kicks and thrashes its leg due to the gush of blood flow, due to contracting and relaxing of muscles and lack of blood in that part. The swift deep cut on the animal's throat severs the jugular veins, carotid arteries and the windpipe and causes rapid drop in the blood pressure. Thus the animal loses consciousness.
As the blood is supplied to the brain ceases. The pain sensation in the brain drops. Thus the animal dies painlessly without much discomfort. Studies in International Journal of Individual Islamic Studies have a result that animals in such conditions have administered with mild anesthesia when compared that Zabiha technique had no differences in them, relevantly concluding that the animals slaughtered in Zabiha are better in shelf life, tenderness and taste, because the blood is continuously released, which makes the less bacterial growth in meat.
Let us explain about types of slaughtering. Zabiha or dabha is a word used for halal slaughter made by the Islamic legislature. The principle of stunning follows the process by which an animal to be stunned to remain unconscious, to feel any pain, and the condition should end up with absolute death of the animal. In fowl, electric lovely is maximum common technique of slaughter, which kills the hen by using cardiac arrest and electrocution and prevents blood flow to the brain. The carbon dioxide stunning system commercially consists of a loading pen where animals are exposed to above 80% concentration and the animal loses consciousness.
Now let us end our speech with a conclusion. Slaughtering methods in the world and scientific studies clearly regards Islamic slaughtering method Zabiha as the best, which includes all the physical and chemical characteristics of the meat, shelf life and quality factors. आज मैं आपको इस्लामी तरीका जिससे एक जानवर को ज़ुबा किया जाता है उसके पीछे क्या साइंटिफिक राज है इसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। जब हम एक जानवर को ज़ुबा करते हैं तो उस जानवर के ऐसे नस काटते हैं जो उस जानवर के दिमाग को खून देता है। ज़ुबा करने पर वो नस कट जाते हैं और सुभान अल्लाह दिमाग के नस बंद हो जाते हैं, जिससे कि एक जानवर के दर्द का एहसास करने वाले अज़ा भी बंद हो जाते हैं, जिससे कि एक जानवर बिना दर्द खाए दम तोड़ देता है। साइंस भी इसको साबित करता है और रिसर्च करने पर यह भी साबित हुआ है कि ज़ुबा किया हुआ जानवर का गोश्त बहुत फायदेमंद, लजीज और कई दिनों तक ताज़ा रहता है। ज़ुबा किया हुआ जानवर तो वह जानवर के दिल को खून पहुंचाने वाले नस भी बंद हो जाते हैं, जिससे कि जानवर के गोश्त में खून के तासीर कम होने की वजह से वह गोश्त को तरोताज़ा और लजीज बनाता है। और रिसर्च करने पर यह भी साबित हुआ है कि दुनिया में ज़बीहा करने के तरीके में से इस्लामी ज़बीहा सबसे उम्दा और बेहतरीन माना जाता है। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर।
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All thanks